Unlock the full potential of asynchronous programming in Perl with Mojolicious. Are you ready to elevate your programming skills and transform the way you build applications? Asynchronous programming is the key to modern, efficient software, and with Mojolicious, a powerful web framework for Perl, you can master this game-changing technique. This video is your comprehensive guide to handling asynchronous tasks like a pro, enabling you to create scalable and high-performance applications with ease. Asynchronous programming is all about improving performance by allowing non-blocking operations. Instead of making your server wait for a task to complete, you can use Mojolicious to handle multiple requests simultaneously. This means your application can juggle multiple tasks effortlessly, resulting in better responsiveness and scalability. Whether you're working on web APIs, database queries, or any other time-sensitive operations, Mojolicious equips you with the tools to optimize your workflows. Why choose Mojolicious for asynchronous programming? Mojolicious is a feature-rich Perl framework designed with modern web development in mind. One of its standout features is its built-in event loop, which serves as the backbone for asynchronous operations. Coupled with the powerful Mojo Promise module, Mojolicious makes it easier than ever to implement non-blocking code that's both clean and efficient. Imagine implementing delayed responses for time-consuming tasks like file uploads, API integrations, or complex computations. Instead of holding up your application, these tasks can run in the background, freeing up resources for other operations. Mojolicious simplifies this process, ensuring your code remains easy to read and debug. What you'll learn in this video. In this video, we'll explore the fundamentals of asynchronous programming in Mojolicious and dive into practical, real-world examples. Here's a breakdown of what you can expect. Introduction to Mojolicious. Learn why Mojolicious is one of the most versatile frameworks for Perl and how it empowers developers to create robust applications. Understanding Asynchronous Concepts. We'll cover the basics of non-blocking I/O, event loops, and promises, breaking down these concepts in a beginner-friendly manner. Delayed responses. Discover how to implement delayed responses for handling time-consuming tasks, ensuring your application remains responsive under heavy workloads. Using Mojo. Promise. Get hands-on with Mojo. Promise. A powerful module that simplifies the management of asynchronous workflows. We'll show you how to chain tasks, handle errors gracefully, and improve your code's readability. Real-world examples. Watch as we implement asynchronous API calls and database queries step by step, demonstrating how these techniques can be applied to real-world projects. Best practices. Learn tips and tricks to write maintainable asynchronous code, from structuring your logic effectively to debugging common issues. Why watch this video? Whether you're a seasoned Perl developer or just starting out, this video has something for everyone. Asynchronous programming is a crucial skill in today's development landscape, and Mojolicious makes it accessible to developers of all levels. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the knowledge and confidence to integrate asynchronous features into your projects, boosting their performance and scalability. If you're ready to take your skills to the next level, hit play and join us on this exciting journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials on Perl, Mojolicious, and web development.